Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I decided that I was gonna try to once again use up some of my leftover paints, the never-ending story. I am gonna make a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas open cup pour, and I just wanted to quickly run through the colors. I have my base coat, which is just white house paint, mixed with the Malverk PM Medium, a German brand. And then I have here the Goya Paynes Gray mixed with a little bit of Amsterdam Prussian Blue. Then I have a DecoArt Metallics Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And then I have the Amsterdam Turquoise and mixed again with a little bit of pebeo iridescent green blue. I have the Amsterdam Caput imortuum Violet. I still think it's the weirdest name for a color, but that's the name. And then last but not least, the DecoArt Metallics 24 karat gold. So I will just be flooding my canvas with the base coat, and then I'll be doing the open cup pour. I'm not gonna be talking while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna play you some music. So I might come back in the end. If not, have a great day.